Like a low-sitting fog at the break of day. Let it fade, let it fade. Like a hold of a frost on a window pane. Let it all melt away. I see it now so clearly where I couldn't see before. Finally now it was worth the wait. I hear my heartbeat, feel my wings take flight. Everything is golden underneath.
And also our newlyweds, Sam and Michelle.
Underneath the sky, underneath the sky, underneath the sky. Look beyond at the horizon and remember the day. This was the day, yeah. Keep your eyes there.
Michelle and Sam, everlasting happiness and a great forever after.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo,
Hi Sam! Congratulations on the most loving couple!
Get more babies.
Baby Sam!
Baby Sam for Michelle Tia.
Baby Sam for Michelle Tia.
Congratulations! We love you so much. Said, marry me.